like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily.
Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to be browsing today and you run into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all FK gang, come on in. Today I'll be making some mini Callaloo quiche. And here is my ingredients for today. Guys, it's a lot, so let's run through quickly. Tomato, sweet pepper, onion, eggs, chopped garlic, and my main ingredients, Callaloo. So with the rest of ingredients, I will show you as we go along. These are cheeses and heavy cream and you name it. All right, so that's all my ingredients for today, guys, and I'll see you in a minute. So guys, this is the Callaloo. If you can't get it in your local store, you can get it on Amazon. So first we need to squeeze all the water out of the Callaloo. So with about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, I'm gonna go in with some onion, small onion. And 3 pegs of garlic. So guys, after 2 to 3 minutes, you go in with your Callaloo. Okay guys, after 5 to 7 minutes, I'm gonna go in with a half of bell pepper. This is sweet pepper I have at home, so you can use sweet pepper or bell peppers. And I have 4 sweet tomatoes, going in with a pinch of dry thyme. And I'm gonna let this go for another 7 to 10 minutes, all right? Okay guys, with 6 eggs, I'm gonna go in with 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. To this, it's gonna be a teaspoon of garlic salt, teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of veggie seasoning, spice, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of cumin. To this, I'm gonna add like a teaspoon of black pepper and just a touch of my Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper sauce with a pinch of all-purpose seasoning. Okay guys, make sure your Callaloo is nice and cool after removing it from the stove top. And by the way, you can use spinach also for this recipe, all right, if you can't get Callaloo. So now I'm adding it to my egg mixer. To this, guys, you're gonna add a total of 8 ounces of cheese. So I have some leftover feta cheese that I'm just throwing in. And I'm gonna add some Italian cheese mix. To this, I'm gonna also add like 1/4 of a cup of almond milk. So guys, with my stoves preheating at 350 degrees, So now I'm gonna add some palm to the top. Guys, now we're gonna put this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, so we're at the end of another segment and I'm here to present my Callaloo mini quiche. Guys, just enjoy it, all right? They are so good. And remember, you can replace the Callaloo with spinach, all right? They're just too good. Too good to be true. Anyway, as you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul, and it's time to feed the soul. Today's scripture will be coming from Proverbs 22, verse 6. Start children off on the way they should go, and even when they are old, they will not turn from it. All right? Give your children a good start. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, guys, putting yourself first is a sign of strength. Be strong. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.